So you want to learn how to build powerful financial models and boost your career. The best finance modeling courses can help you get started today. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, if you ever felt confused about financial modeling or you don't know where to begin, you're not alone. But don't worry, learning financial modeling is easier than you think, okay? With the right course, you can gain valuable skills that's going to make you stand out in the finance world, all right? Now listen, here are some of the top courses for beginners. Now you got Coursera, okay? I'll put this all in the description. Financial Modeling for Beginners. This course breaks down financial modeling into easy steps, helping you learn at your own pace. Another one is Udemy, okay? Introduction to Financial Modeling. A great course for those looking to understand how to create basic models and work with numbers. Then you got LinkedIn Learning Financial Modeling Foundations, okay? This course is perfect, if you're just starting, you want to understand how financial models are used in real business. There's also Excel with Business, Financial Modeling for Beginners. A practical course that teaches you how to use Excel to build financial models step by step, okay? Now, taking one of these courses is going to help you master the basics and give you the confidence to build your own financial models. Now, don't wait, start learning today. If you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.